Good day, my name is Mark Mellor. I'm an attorney here in Riverside, California. I've got a number of clients in Beaumont that are facing bankruptcy issues, so I thought it helpful to put together a quick video on some of the distinctions between the filing of a Chapter 7 and Chapter 13 bankruptcy. A lot of my clients ask, what are the differences between the two? So let me explain. The first distinction between a Chapter 7 and Chapter 13 is that in order to file a Chapter 7, you have to qualify under a means test. What is a means test? A means test determines your California median income, which is statutorily provided for, and whether you fall above or below that median income after your deductions and things from your income and dependents from income. So when you have that median income under the means test, if you're below the California median income, you qualify to file a Chapter 7. If you're above the California median income, then you're relegated to filing a Chapter 13 and you can't file a Chapter 7. Now, what's the difference other than the means test? Well, in a Chapter 7, you're discharging all of your debt, and in a Chapter 13, you're in a repayment program to repay a portion of that debt. So it could be 10 cents on the dollar, it could be 90 cents on the dollar, but in a Chapter 13, you're repaying a portion of the debt to your creditors, whereas a Chapter 7, it's completely discharged. That's the advantage of filing a Chapter 7. Another advantage of filing a Chapter 7 is that you can have the debt discharged by the bankruptcy court, the entire debt, within 90 to 120 days from the date of filing. A Chapter 13, however, takes 3 to 5 years to complete for a discharge with the bankruptcy court. And the reason for that is you're repaying a portion of that debt to your creditors over a period of time that's set by the trustee. So you have to go through that process to do that. And finally, I think one of the big distinctions that we're facing in this economy right now, especially here in the Inland Empire, where housing prices have gone 50% underwater in the last few years out here, is that some of my clients are looking at the possibility of doing something called lien stripping, stripping the second from the home so that they can acquire that portion of equity back in their home. Lien stripping is a process only available to the borrower or bankruptcy filer in a Chapter 13 repayment program. Lien stripping is not available in a Chapter 7. So if that's a consideration you're thinking about or want to find out more about, you'll have to be in a repayment program under Chapter 13. It's unavailable in a Chapter 7. I've had some clients come into my office, got help from paralegals or something like that. They filed a Chapter 7 telling them they could discharge the lien in the lien stripping process, and of course they couldn't, and basically wasted the need for their bankruptcy because they wanted to do that. So if you have some particular issues, something you're concerned about, feel free to give my office a call. My partner Alan Sanders and I would be more than happy to assist you in your particular need.